Hello and welcome to the Stirling at Home Christmas dinner experience. So what we have for you this evening is a great gourmet meal, 4-course dinner for two that you have purchased with us at the Malcolm Hotel. Tonight what we are going to do is have a little walkthrough on how to prepare your meal. So we have our collectible bag that you already picked up from us, and inside our bag we have everything we're going to need. We got our bread and butter. We're also going to have our delicious dessert, but that's for later. We have a wonderful bottle of wine to enjoy. We also have our salad course here, which is going to be a Caesar salad tonight. We got some soup. We have some cinnamon cream. Don't worry, everything is labeled in here, so if you have any questions, it's all on our bags. And we have everything we need here for our fantastic dinner this evening with the turkey breast and leg and stuffing and mashed potatoes and gravy and all the fixing. So we are going to get started here and with our first course, and we're going to have a fantastic dinner with you. And please keep along with us. And you could always pause me if you need to catch up. All right, so we are going to start off with our soup course today. The two biggest things you're going to need right now, we need a little housekeeping note. One, we need a large pot of water, get that on the stove, and just get that started to simmer. So while that is going, we are going to start with some soup. Our biggest tool we're going to need for tonight is going to be scissors. This will be the most important tool for your evening. We have our butternut squash soup, which has been, of course, labeled butternut squash. This is dairy-free, it's made with coconut, and we are just gonna open this up, and we're gonna pour this into the small pot. And we are just gonna bring this on to a quick little simmer and let it cook for about a minute, and then it's ready to serve. Our big thing here, as our soup is heating up, we just want to make sure we give it a little stir every now and again to make sure it's not sticking on the bottom. And as soon as our soup comes to a boil, it's ready to go. And now that our soup has come to a boil, we're ready to plate it up. So we got a couple of our bowls here. We're gonna give out equal amounts, each one. And now you gotta find in your kit the cinnamon cream. So this is whipped cream with cinnamon, salt and pepper, a little bit of lemon juice. And this is a little dollop we just put right on top of the soup as the garnish. And there you go. Our butternut squash soup is ready for you to enjoy. With our soup all made, now it's time to move on to the salad course. We are going to make a nice little Caesar salad. So we're going to start off with our romaine lettuce. We're just going to cut that open and put that right into our bowl. And we have all the ingredients here already portioned out for you. So we got some Caesar dressing and bacon bits. And we got some croutons and Parmesan cheese. So we're just gonna put our dressing right onto the salad. And this is just mix everything together at this point. So our bacon bits, sprinkle those in. The croutons. And I like to hold on to the cheese till the very end. If you have a set of tongs or a big spoon or salad spoons, you can mix with that. I'm just gonna use my tongs to mix it up today. So we just get this all mixed together, make sure everything's, all leaves of romaine are covered in the dressing. And we're just gonna put this into our bowl. There we go. And we're just gonna finish this off with some of the Parmesan cheese just sprinkled right on top. And this is our Caesar salad course for your dinner. Now we have completed the salad, we're moving on to the entree. So remember we had that pot of water we put on a little bit earlier? Well, now it's at a full boil and we get to finally make dinner. So in the rest of our bag, we have everything that you need for a fantastic turkey dinner here. We have the gravy, the white meat, the dark meat, the mashed potatoes, some stuffing, and Brussels sprouts and carrots. And we are literally just gonna put this all into the water right now. So we put everything in and just wanna make sure that it comes back to a simmer. We wanna run about 70 degrees is the ideal temperature for us on this today. And from that, we are gonna now just let this go for 8 minutes, which I got my timer here to start. And in 8 minutes, our dinner is gonna be ready. All right, now it's sort of been cooking for a few minutes here. We just wanna make sure we move our items around just a little bit in the pot to make sure it's not sticking on the bottom or anything along those lines. And at the 8-minute mark, we're gonna be completely ready to go and we can start opening our bags and dinner's gonna be served. Okay, our timer just went off. It's been 8 minutes now. Our dinner is now ready to be taken out of the pot. So we just move everything. This is why we have a cookie tray here so we don't make a mess all over our countertop. Definitely suggest if you have tongs, use them for this because there's high risk of being burnt. But everything is absolutely fantastic right now. And what we are gonna do now is open all the bags and we're gonna put them into all the food into separate bowls. It is very warm, so if you have oven mitts or something to put on your hands so you don't burn yourself. So that's our leg meat. This is gonna be the white meat here. All right, now it just smells fantastic, and hopefully it's smelling fantastic in your home too as we speak. So the carrots are maple glazed. The Brussels sprouts have a little bit of cream and bacon on there, just to give that little extra bit of flavor. We gave you lots and lots of gravy today because you can never have enough gravy when you're having turkey. And finally, our stuffing. So you can serve it in the bowls like this if you want to do a little family style on your dinner table. But I like to serve my food plated. So we are going to just do a quick little plate up here for you. Now we are going to go on to our plating our meal. So we'll start off with the mashed potatoes. Don't forget, there's no right way or wrong way to do this. It's just, make your plate look good and have fun. It's the most important thing. Then after the mashed potatoes, we're gonna put the veggies down. So lots of Brussels sprouts. And we'll put some carrots on there. And then once our veggies on there, we're gonna put a little bit of stuffing down. I like my stuffing nice and soft. I know some people like their stuffing crispy, so if you like a crispier stuffing, there's no harm. You can take it out of the bag, put it in the oven, get it warmed up a bit there too. But for what we're doing tonight, the soft stuffing is working out perfect for us. Put on some of the white meat, a couple pieces of the dark. And we're gonna put a nice amount of gravy over top of this. And to finish off, a little bit of our homemade cranberry sauce. Just a bit of that on the side. And here we go. We got turkey dinner for you this evening. All right, now we're moving on to the final course, one of my personal favorites, desserts. And today what we've made for you is our Festive Log. It is for 2 people, so we're gonna have to cut it. But this is a Yule log made with hazelnut and chocolate all rolled up in a chocolate sponge cake. It's absolutely delicious. And we're just gonna get a quick little cut right down the middle. And we're gonna put one on each plate. If you want, put some decoration on there, garnish it up, make it look a little prettier, you can. So we can do a little strawberry. A couple of pieces of strawberry, a couple little pieces of blueberry, anything you have in the house will work. Or you can just eat it just like this. And this is our Yule log. And I would like to say thank you very much for letting us cook for you this evening. And please do enjoy your meal.